Students, since we have completed our science portion, now we have to concentrate on our projects and practical work. Okay, so today I am going to perform 2 experiments. Okay, and that is very easy experiments. Those experiments are very easy if you can try it at home also. Before starting the experiments, I would like to tell you how to put the page number as well as how to write your aim, apparatus, procedure, etc. in your journal book. That is how to complete your journal. Okay, students, you can see here, this is the page number 7. Okay, page number 9. Similarly, this is page number 17, 19, 21, and now there is no page number, so you have to write page number over here. This is page number 21. Our next page number will be 22. Yes, and then 23, 24, 25. After writing the page numbers, you have to fill the index column. Okay, so here serial number 1, growth of plants. Serial number 2, excretion in plants. So students, we are going to perform these 2 experiments today, and these 2 experiments are there on which page number? Page number 22 and page number 24. Okay, remember that these page numbers are not printed, that you have to put. Okay, students, in chapter number 2, that is the living world, we have studied 8 characteristics. Do you remember 8 characteristics in plant as well as in animal? Which are those? Growth, respiration, excretion, reproduction, responsiveness to stimuli, movement, definite lifespan, and cellular structure. This is the list of the characteristics which we have already done in first unit test. Okay, growth, respiration, excretion, then reproduction, responsiveness to stimuli, movement, a definite lifespan, cellular structure. Okay, and you can find this on page number 16 of your textbook. Yes, students, today we are going to study about growth and excretion. Only these 2 factors. How does it take place in plants? So, to observe the linear growth in plant, what all things we require? Students, a potted plant as shown in the picture. Okay, then a thread is required and a peg is required और nail. Hammer, पता है आपको hammer क्या होता है? Yes, that is हथौड़ा. Okay, these things are required. Let's see the procedure now. You have to take a healthy and well potted plant of medium size which has an erect stem. ऐसा सीधा होना चाहिए उसका stem. Okay, keep the plant on a windowsill. Where you have to keep? On a windowsill or any place where it can receive sufficient sunlight during daytime. Fix a nail or a peg above the potted plant with the help of hammer. Then tie one end of the thread to the tip of the potted sapling. Here you have to tie the thread. Okay, now if you see this, द कंडीशन ऑफ थ्रेड इट इज वेरी मच स्ट्रेच्ड, लेकिन एकदम सीधा दिख रहा है आपको. हाँ, देन कीप द थ्रेड स्ट्रेच्ड एंड टाइड द अदर एंड to the peg or nail above the plant. Water the plant daily and observe it after 10 days. Students, after 10 days you can see the plant has growth and the thread which was tightened, which was stressed, now it is in loose condition. It shows that growth has taken place in plant. Okay, now what's the observation? The thread which has stretched in the beginning has become loose. Conclusion: the thread which has stretched initially has become loose as the length of the stem in the period of 10 days has increased. The plant has grown up. What happened to the plant? It has grown up. Okay. Grown upward. Yes. Now you will see the next characteristic in plants, that is excretion. Okay. So growth तो समझ में आ गया. Growth मतलब बढ़ना, living thing बढ़ता है. अब देखें excretion कैसे होता है. What is excretion? Students, excretion is nothing but elimination of waste product from the body. excretion क्या होता है? वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट अपने बॉडी से बाहर निकालना. ओके, दैट इज excretion. सो हाउ डू प्लांट excrete? Yes, so for that what we have to do is you take a potted plant, transparent plastic bag, thin rubber band or thread you have to take. Then see the procedure. Take a healthy potted plant of medium size. Take a transparent plastic bag and tie it over a leaf of a potted plant with the help of the thin rubber band or thread. समझ में आया आपको? ऐसे लेना है प्लांट, ओके, और इसे प्लास्टिक बैग से टाई कर देना है, मतलब बांध देना है उसको. ठीक है. 6 से 7 घंटे बाद उसको ऑब्जर्व करो, देखो क्या हो रहा है. सम ड्रॉपलेट ऑफ वाटर आर सीन इनसाइड द बैग. इस बैग के अंदर आपको ड्रॉपलेट्स दिखाई देंगे, पानी के कुछ बूंदे दिखाई देंगे. सो इट शोज दैट कंक्लूजन, प्लांट excrete water in the form of vapor. Students, that's all with the experiment number 2. Now the question is how to write this in your journal. Since we are completing this experiment on 1st October, so we have to put the 1st October date. Page number 22. Then name of the experiment, growth of plant. What is the aim? To observe the linear growth in plants. Apparatus, everything आपने देखा ना, सब कुछ दिया हुआ है और आपको यहाँ पे कॉपी करना है. यस, नीट एंड क्लीन हैंड राइटिंग में. और आपको इस तरह से पिक्चर भी बनानी है. आप देख सकते हैं छोटा सा पौधा है और ये बड़ा हो गया. यस, तो इस तरह से आपको पिक्चर बनाना है और प्रोसीजर भी आपको लिखना है. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द प्रोसीजर ऑल्सो. यस, देन दिस इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन पार्ट. दिस इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन स्टूडेंट्स. This also you have to write. Everything is given there. Nothing, nowhere you have to go in search of the answer. Everything is there. Just you have to copy it out in correct column. हाँ, ऐसा मत करना कि ऑब्जर्वेशन कंक्लूजन में लिख दो और कंक्लूजन ऑब्जर्वेशन में लिख दो. ऐसा मत करना. ठीक है. तो जो जहाँ पर बोला गया है वहीं पर आपको लिखना है. There only you have to write. Okay. Next is what? Conclusion. See. Like this, I have completed with the first experiment. This is our second experiment. Okay, same date since we are taking 2 experiments. So 1st October, page number 24. Then aim to study the excretion in plants. Then apparatus, whatever we are taken for the performing experiment, everything you have to write over here. And next is the diagram. Yes, plastic bag, plastic pouch, whatever, what are droplets you have seen, whatever it has been given, you have to write down this. See here. Okay, procedure is done. Then what have you seen? क्या देखा आपने? Some water droplets of water are seen on the inside of the bag. Plant excrete water in the form of water vapor. So students, with this I have completed my second experiment also. So you have to write it down in your science journal neatly, and you have to submit this on Saturday, not on the same day. Okay, take time. It will take time. You can't complete this in 1 hour or the given period of time. So it will take time to complete, right? So I am giving you time. You have to submit this on Saturday. All photos of your practical, it should be submitted on Saturday. Okay? Okay, students. Before completing this video, I have also performed experiment related to study of aspiration in plant that I will be showing you. Okay. Good morning, students. Today we are on terrace. We are going to study how the aspiration in plant taking place. Okay. For that we require potted plant, plastic bag, okay, and thin rubber band, or you can take a thread. Yes. Now let's see the procedure. Take a healthy and potted plant of medium size. So we can see this plant is very healthy. This is the hibiscus plant, students. And take a transparent bag and tie over a leaf of the potted plant. So what I am going to do is, I will be taking this plant, I will be taking this plastic bag. You can see this plastic bag, there is no water droplet. Okay, this plastic bag is very much clear. Yes, so I am going to tie this plastic bag with thread on the leaf of the plant. Okay, students. I will be tying this plastic bag over this plotted plant, okay, leaves, and in this manner I am going to tie this just enough. And students, what we have to do is, you have to leave this for 6 to 7. Students, I have kept this experiment right in the morning, and we have completed around 6 to 7 hours. You can see water droplets inside the plastic pouch. Okay, you can see these leaves are also get stuck to the pouch. You can see how this leaf is get stuck to the plastic pouch. Yes, it shows, see this water droplet, you can see. Yes, it shows that plants also is great. Okay, students.